welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hokett Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Miss Laura, and today we are making owl paper bag puppets. So in your craft kit that you picked up in the library, you have our owl templates, some pieces of construction paper, glue dots, and then we are also going to be using the bag that your craft supplies came in this week. So open it as carefully as you can. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut out all the pieces of our owl template. So we have all the pieces of our owl template cut out, which is a pair of wings, 2 eyes, and we can actually set those aside, a pair of feet, a beak, and a pointy ear. So you want to pay careful attention to your instructions because we are going to trace and cut out these owl template pieces from our construction paper. So we need 2 ears, 2 feet, 1 beak, and 4 wings. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to start with my wings, is put a wing on my construction paper. And I'm going to take a pen or pencil and trace my wing. All the way around. Okay, and then I'm going to cut out my wing from my construction paper. Just like that. So I'm going to do that with all the pieces of my template. Okay, so we have cut out all the pieces of our owl puppet. We have 2 sets of wings, 2 feet, 2 ears, and 1 beak. And then of course we have our 2 eyes that we cut out earlier. So if you want, before we get started, you can certainly color your paper bag puppet however you want, or if you want to leave it brown, you can just go ahead and assemble your puppet, which is what we're going to do. Alright, so we are going to start with our wings. So we have 2 sets of wings. So I'm going to use 1 of each color and kind of layer them so that you see both of the colors of the wings. And I'm just going to use a glue dot to secure them together. Glue dot to put my wings right under the flap of my paper bag. So it'll look like that. So I'm going to do that for both sides. So I'm going to layer them so you see both colors. Glue dot to put the 2 wings together. And another glue dot to secure them to my paper bag. All right, so our wings are in place. So our next step is to attach our beak. So get a glue dot. And our beak is going to go on the top of our flap and kind of hang off the edge there. Just like that. Alright, and next we're going to attach our feet to the bottom of our paper bag so they kind of hang off. So there are our feet. And we're going to attach our pointy ears. And they're going to go on the top of our paper bag and also kind of stick off. Like that. And then our last step, I have one glue dot left, so I'm just going to cut it in half for my eyes. And we're going to go right above our beak and below our ears, wherever you think it looks best. So there's our paper bag puppet. For the last step, if you want to grab a black marker or any kind of marker that you have and kind of decorate some little lines on the wings. On the beak, you want to outline anything. Maybe draw some more feathers on your paper bag. And there we have our paper bag owl puppet. We just stick our hand in, and that's how we can make it work. So you can use your puppet to retell a cool story or to act out a play, all kinds of possibilities. We really hope you enjoyed our Kids Craft Corner today, and we will see you next week. Goodbye, friends.